Want to know who's subscribing to your channel? YouTube keeps this private for most creators, but I'll show you the exact steps to check your public subscriber insights without violating privacy rules. Open youtube.com, click your profile icon in the top right, and select YouTube Studio. This is your creator dashboard. In the left menu, click Audience greater than recent subscribers. Here you'll see a limited list of subscribers who chose to be public. Note, most won't appear due to privacy settings. Warning, if you see no data available, it means your subscribers are private. This is normal. YouTube doesn't reveal full subscriber lists. Beware of scams claiming to show hidden subscribers. They're fake. Only YouTube Partner Program members get detailed analytics, not names. Got your first 100 subs? Drop a party popper below. For more real YouTube growth tips, subscribe. I post weekly. Questions? Comment subscribers and I'll help.